Today, I'll be exploring one of the gem properties in the south of Metro, Alabang West by Megaworld. My name is Jenny and welcome to another property tour by Invest Manila. So first up is the Clubhouse. This elegant and modern design clubhouse features an infinity pool, a wading pool, a pool deck, a lounging deck, some cabanas, a function hall, an audiovisual room which you can also turn into a KTV room, a cafe and dining area, a fitness center, 2 badminton courts, a basketball court, some pocket gardens, and some open space parks. Now let's talk about the location of Alabang West and why it's the most sought after property at the south of Metro. This property has 3 access roads, which is the Alabang exit, accessible through the Alabang Zapote Road, the Philinvest exit, accessible through Commerce Avenue, and lastly, the Muntinlupa Cavite Expressway or MCX, which is accessible through Daang Hari Road. Let's also take note of these nearby establishments. For the shopping centers and grocery store, you'll have Landers Superstore Alabang. It's literally located just outside the village. Alabang Town Center or ATC, and Festival Super Mall. Aside from that, just outside your soon-to-be village, well, hopefully, is Alabang West Parade. It's a newly built commercial strip where different food chains will be located. For the nearby schools, you'll have De La Salle Santiago Sobel School, Parif Woodrose, and San Beda College Alabang. For work, you'll have the Madrigal Business District, the entire stretch of the Commerce Avenue at the Philinvest City, and since this property has a lot of access route, you'll be in the central business districts of Makati and BGC for just approximately 30 minutes. Now for the hospital, you can go to one of the most advanced and leading hospitals in the country, the Asian Hospital, in just 10 minutes. Now for the most awaited part, the price. How much is it? Considering that you're practically village neighbors with Ayala Alabang, one of the most high-end residential horizontal properties in the country, the price of lot here only costs 76,000 per square meter, and this is as of July 2021. And you know what? In order to start the construction of your home, you just need to fulfill the 30% down payment and a letter of guarantee from the bank. But assuming you don't want to build the home just yet, you can avail the friendliest payment term to date, which doesn't need any spot cash down payment. This entails that the 30 to 40% of the total contract price is payable for 5 years and the remaining 60 to 70% is payable through bank financing. I'll be putting in the description box below what's the setup for the other payment terms. However, if you're interested, please check with us by commenting below or by calling us at this number, so we can provide you the updated price list and the computation of this property. So there you have it. What are you waiting for? Experience the complete lifestyle convenience of Alabang West by Megaworld. Thank you for watching. For inquiries and viewing appointments, please call us at 0945-483-3614. And before you exit this video, kindly click the subscribe button first and hit the notification bell so you'll get notified on our upcoming real estate videos. Until next time!